have a question for you. Do you have a smartphone that you use often? The answer is most likely yes, and if that's the case, then you can get started on making money online, even if you have never done so up until now. This is also possible without investing a dime, as it's completely free to do. All you have to do is download the app I will show you, do literally nothing from there, and collect your earnings. Today, we will be going over an app that can make you money and passive income, and all you need to do for this to work is watch this step-by-step tutorial through to the end so you know exactly what needs to be done in order to get paid. Anyways, just before we get to the video itself, guys, if you like this type of content and you would like to see more of it, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of my new videos that will follow, click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video has been uploaded. With that said, let's now get to the actual video. The platform we will be going over today, guys, is called honeygain.com. And this is also the sponsor of today's video. If you sign up now via the link or the description, or by using promo code KASHINA, you will earn $5 for free. Now, with that said, perhaps you've heard about this site, but for those of you who haven't, let me elaborate. Honeygain is a platform that can, for absolutely free, get you paid in passive income, just like it says here. Now, the way it does that is through sharing your internet, basically. Now, here you can see that it's an easy way to make money and passive income, and more importantly, that your safety is not at risk, which I know is what some of you will be thinking. But this is 100% safe to use, I promise you. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners, and the app never asks or gains access to the storage of your device. Furthermore, this app doesn't require device storage or any other permissions for that matter to function properly. It's completely secure and will not try to steal your data. The traffic that is sent is encrypted and monitored at all times as well. As you can see right here, you will know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your devices act like view towers and help world-famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. So by sharing your internet, you will basically be helping businesses all over the globe and getting paid in return. How awesome is that? You can also click on Learn More here if you want more information about how this app actually uses your internet to make you money. As you can see, it gathers web intelligence, brand protection, it verifies ads, tests apps, we have content delivery, and last but not least, price comparison. Now, the way you will get paid through this and all the steps you need to take to do so, you can see below. You will first off need to set it up, and by the way, as you can see right here, this works for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android as well. iOS as of now isn't available, but that will change soon enough in the future. Generally speaking, it will work on most of your devices, which is a great feature of this app that I really love myself. Since you can connect multiple devices like your phone, laptop, and/or desktop computer to get paid more money. Anyhow, once you install this, you will run it, and once you do so, it will share your internet connection. You will basically then let the app do its thing without you worrying about it. You will also help businesses in the process, as I said before. And finally, you get paid. And for those of you who do love PayPal, it is indeed available for this app. And so is Bitcoin for some of you who love cryptocurrency as well. Now, something else I really want to cover is how much money you will be making. So let me say this as bluntly as possible. This will not make you rich. So don't have unrealistic expectations thinking you'll earn thousands of dollars every single day, month, or whatever. You won't. I mean, after all, you are making money by basically doing nothing. You don't need to be an expert for this, you don't need to pay for this, nothing like that. So I repeat, don't have unrealistic expectations. With that said, while it won't make you rich, it certainly can help with covering some expenses, such as Spotify subscriptions, monthly Netflix, online games, and other stuff. All of which could become basically free for life thanks to this app here. Now, with that said, as you can see, How much money you will earn depends highly on your internet connection. The more traffic shared daily, the more money, and obviously the amount of traffic you'll be able to share depends on, as I said, your internet connection. And something else that also impacts the amount of money you can earn is the number of devices connected, as well as a number of other factors, such as your location, for example. Now, with all of that said and done, something I really want to show you guys that is hugely important for me to do are the reviews of this app. Because I know most of you will be thinking stuff like, this is too good to be true, this is just a scam, you have to pay for it. Trustpilot.com, a well-known review site, shows otherwise. As you can see here, Honeygain has a very good rating of 4 stars with over 2,000 reviews. This shows more than I ever could that you can actually make money with this app. Even though it may sound too good to be true, it's legit and is used by literally thousands of people all over the globe. With that very important bit of info out of the way, let me explain how you will actually set this up first. If you click on the first link I left in the description, you will need to click on Claim $5 here, and then you will proceed to a new page to enter in all your data. If you hover over Want to sign up using the promo code, what you have to do is come over to their homepage, then scroll down to the bottom and click on Sign Up right here. From there, enter in your email address and password, and now you want to click on Redeem Coupon Code here, and you will enter Kashina and then click on Sign Up to create your account and grab those $5. Now, once you have your account, you will need to download this app, and if you are on a PC like myself, all you gotta do is click on Download for Windows here and then install it. And from there, your work is done. It will share your internet and make you money in the process without you having to do anything. However, there is another way for you to make money with this app that I would recommend, which is by referring people. This is because you will earn a 10% recurring commission, which is a nice addition to the already made money in passive income. The best way to get people to click on that referral link is through the use of Facebook groups, or Make Money Online groups in particular. This is because those groups, you have the exact type of people who will want to try this app out. People who want to make money online, and as such, you should have no problems referring them to here. And here's a tip for that, by the way. Make sure you mention the reviews, because they are extremely important when promoting anything. The number one problem you will be facing is skepticism, and so the reviews is what will help remove it. Now, with all of that said, we've reached the end of this video, guys. All in all, I would highly recommend you all at least give Honeygain a try. Simply put, you can't lose anything, but you do have a bit to gain from it. Keep in mind, once again, it won't make you rich, but after all, extra money will still be spent nonetheless, no matter how unimpactful it may seem. Anyhow, if you liked this video and you want to see more like it, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And since I am uploading Make Money Online videos with brand new strategies every day, make sure you click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.